Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Ahmad, and on this channel we learn English step by step from basic to advanced in a very clear and simple way. In our previous lesson, we discussed what is English, why English is important, and where the English language comes from. بخیر راغلی په تیر لیسن تیر سبق کې مونږ ویلو چې انګلیش څه ته وایي د کوم ځای نه راغلی ولې انګلیش ډیر اهم دی نن هم مونږ یو ډیر اهم او امپورټنت ټاپک په باره کې خبرې کوو چې هغه دی what is letter word sentence phrase and clause. So we are going to start about today we are going to continue our journey and talk about the basic building blocks of English. But before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification bell so you never miss any future English lesson. Now let's begin. First, what is letter? أول موږ دا وایو چې letter څه ته وایي So simple Mungwachi, what is a letter? A letter is the smallest unit of the English language. English has 26 letters which are divided into two parts, vowels and consonant. پښتو کې لوي letter the ټولو نه یو smallest وړوکی unit او برخه ده د English language چې کوم موږ سره English شپږ ویش 26 letters لري چې دا په دوو قسمه باندې دي په دوو برخو ویشل شوي نمبر 1 ته وایي vowel او دویم څه شی دی consonant ها اوس مونږ سمبل چې letter باره کې نور څه داسې explanation معلومات نو وایي چې letter by themselves usually don't carry meaning but they are extremely important because all words are made from letters letter خپل مونږ سره سمانه نه ورکوي خو چې کله دوی مونږ یو ځای کو نو بیا مونږ سره ورډزونه جوړوي مونږ سره معنا ورکوي لکه the letters C A and T individually have no meaning دا څه معنا مونږ سره نه ورکوي when we combine them خو چې کله مونږ یو ځای کو they form the word CAT cat which has meaning کله چې مونږ یو ځای کو دا او مونږ له meaning راکې نو هغې ته بیا وایي word So letters are the foundation of English. Letters مونږ سره بنیادونه دي د څه شي د English. دویم مونږ راځو let's dive into another topic that is what is word. لفظ څه شی دی A word is a group of letters that has meaning. This group of letters مونږ سره ډېر راتلی شي لکه C B D G F J A K C O W J O D ګډ ورډزونه letters وایا چې موږ سره meaning نه راکړي هغه موږ سره words نه دي موږ چې a word is a group of letters that has meaning words are used to name اوسې words استعمالېږي د څه لپاره people places things actions qualities ideas Every sentence in English is made of words. هر یو sentence هر یو جمله د ورډزونو نه جوړه ده and without words communication is impossible. او د دې لفظونو نه بغیر communication باتچیت څه شي دي impossible دي. Example of words like a teacher, school, run, knowledge, etc. Words are the basic carriers of meaning in any language. Next topic موږ وایو چې what is sentence جمله څه شی ده a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought sentence موږ سره group of words دي کوم چې بیانوي complete sense complete thoughts to be grammatically correct a sentence must be کته غواړي یو grammatically صحیح جمله ولیکي No, your sentence must begin with a capital letter. Your sentence په موږ سره start کیږي په سره capital letter سره in with a full stop question mark or quotation marks ختمیږي په question mark سره full stop سره یا quotation mark سره exclamation mark next وایي چې contain a subject and a verb باید په دې کې subject او verb دواړه موجود وي make complete sense on its own باید موږ سره خپل یو complete meaning معنا ورکړي for example I am learning English the English dako. She is teacher. Aga teacher ada. Yeah, do you like English? Sta English ko a sentence, on simple way, a sentence allow us to communicate full ideas clearly and effectively. So, if you are finding with this lesson helpful so far, please like this video and comment below. Ko video ko khashwi o helpful dar tamalumegi, o comment awam saruri kai aw zumda channel a video dar sara like or subscribe kai. Next razu, well next topic ta what is praise? Praise share. A praise is a group of words that has meaning but does not express a complete thought. Praise mungsara group of words the meaning lari complete thought, complete meaning lari. Lakasanga. A praise does not have both a subject and a verb together. Verb or subject pamungsara padi kisivi navi. Vemzem cannot stand alone as a sentence. Sentence pashan mungsara full meaning nashi warkawale nahi warkai. Example आप praise is away in the classroom. A classroom की शिशे very intelligent dear Kabela so after the meeting nabat the meeting nabat so full meaning muta narakai my best friend zuma khamal gare no meaning. These group of words give some information but they leave the listener expecting more. The group of words mungta मालूमात rakai who listener auridun ke expecting توقع کوي د نور څه چې نور څه امم واوري فار ایگزامپل هغه وی چې اوس بدینه بعد سړی ماته سباره کی خبره کوي. That is why a praise is not a sentence. Next مونږ وایو چې what is class. Class څه شی دی؟ A class is a group of words that contains a subject and verb. اوس a group of words دا دی په دې کې موږ سره subject او verb دواړه شته. مونږ څنګه وایو چې classes are very important because sentences are built from classes. Sentence د څه نه جوړ دي؟ کلاسونو نه. بیا دا په دوه قسمه دي. یو ته وایي independent class. An independent class expresses a complete idea and can stand alone as a sentence. Independent class مونږ سره څه شي کوي؟ express a complete idea and can stand alone as a sentence. Complete meaning مونږ ته راکوي idea راکوي او ځان لا د sentence په شان full meaning خپل ورکوي. لکه I am improving my English. زه خپل English improve کوم. مونږ هم خپل English improve کوو daily په مزه مزه لګیا یو. This sentence has subject and a verb and makes complete sense by itself. For example, I am reading, I am sleeping, I am going. Dependent clause. A dependent clause also has a subject and a verb, but it does not express a complete idea. It depends on another clause to complete its meaning. دا به بلې جملې ته خامخا ضرورت لري په هغې په وجه به دا کمپلیټ کېږي. لکه زه وایم when I go home کله چې زه کور ته لاړم نو څه شی روټۍ مې وخوړه ویده شوم کېناستم جنګ مې وکړو څه مې وکړل. For example, when I go home, yeah, because I want success. همیشه د پاره dependent clause مونږ سره په because, when, while, before, after په دې وړزونو سره start کیږي. If I go home دې سره start کیږي. نو مونږ وایو چې because I want success this clause cannot stand alone, but when we say I am improving my English because I want success ځکه چې زه کامیابی غواړم. Next اوس مونږ وایو چې praise with clause. Important difference د دوی دواړو په منځ کې چې praise with clause important difference وایي. A praise does not have a subject and verb together. A clause always has a subject and a verb. Praise مونږ سره subject او verb نه لري او clause مونږ سره subject او verb لري. A praise gives partial meaning while a clause gives complete or nearly complete meaning. اوس praise مونږ سره دومره meaning complete نه ورکوي خو while class چې کوم دی مونږ سره دا مونږ سره بیا complete او نږدې complete ته نږدې meaning ورکوي. Understanding this difference is key to mastering English grammar. So this was our today's lesson. If you understand these building blocks, English grammar becomes much easier and more logical. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, we will continue with another important topic in English grammar. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next lesson. Wassalam.